What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, family. Today I got 5 different stocks that need to be on your radar today now that President Trump is back in office. Welcome back to the channel, family. It's your host Rock here. If you guys have been liking these videos, make sure to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button. Also turn on post notifications by hitting that bell icon. We got so much to discuss today. There are so much new contracts that have been written up and we're locked and loaded. So guys, I'm making this video in preparation for tomorrow. So guys, please make sure to hit that like button. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Without further ado, let's go right into it, guys. We got some news first. President Trump is set to announce a massive AI infrastructure plan involving the revival of Project Stargate, with a significant investment from SoftBank, OpenAI, and Oracle potentially scaling to $500 billion over 4 years. Guys, we've covered some of these stocks on the channel. Let me go ahead and continue before we get into the stocks. Executives from SoftBank, OpenAI, and Oracle are expected to commit $100 billion initially to the Stargate project, with plans to increase investment up to $500 billion over the next 4 years. The announcement includes the return of Project Stargate, focusing on AI infrastructure development. Okay, so when I talk about AI infrastructure, we got a ton of companies, and one company we've been mentioning on this channel is ticker symbol ARM. ARM Holdings PLC is in this project as well. So that's why you're seeing it up 8% total today. Guys, this one move right here, okay? We were talking about the $150 breakout. This one move right here is a life-changing move from $149 all the way to $160 overnight. That is a life-changing move. Let me know if you guys got in. We talked about this one 2 to 3 days ago. Guys, this one still has earnings in about a few weeks, so be on the lookout for ticker symbol ARM. It's on a huge weekly breakout right now. If you haven't already, guys, I suggest looking up the chart. Look at the triangle that this one is breaking out of. This has a clean move set for earnings. Let's take a look at the options real quick. Okay, let's say, for example, January 31st, look at the 155 call right here. $6 right now, okay? The low was 195. That in itself to a high of 762, that is a whole 200 to 300% move. These are life-changing moves that are happening every single day in the stock market. And that's not the only stock that has this contract, right? We have Oracle, we have Microsoft involved. Let's go ahead and dive into the next stock, guys. But I want you guys to take a look at ticker symbol ARM, up 15% in the past week, up 30% in the past month, and still has more room to grow. It has so much significant value to grow, especially from this plan. Let's go ahead and move on to the next stock. All right, guys, next up we have ticker symbol ORCL. This is Oracle stock. This one is up 7% in the trading hours today, and after the market closed, it was up 7% overnight. Just look at that, a near close 15% move in one day. This is up nearly $25 in just one day. From here, from 163 all the way to 186 is a whole life-changing move. Let me know if you guys knew about this infrastructure plan. Let me know if you guys got in on the jump when all the bulls were loading up. We loaded up on ARM back 2-3 days ago. It's paying off right now. Let me know if you got in on Oracle. And guys, we still got so much more, but guys, Oracle once again is all about cloud service. It's taking AI to the next level. So once again, I want you guys to pay attention to these stocks that are inside of this infrastructure plan, because they are set to rip with all these investments. This stock is not part of the plan. However, it is an artificial intelligence stock that was purchased up by the one and only Nancy Pelosi. Guys, take a look at ticker symbol TEM. This is Tempest AI. We got on this one at $40 because this in itself, okay, there was a ton of people on this trade because of the conviction they had for Nancy Pelosi. So what did we do? We jumped in this one as well. We rode this up. It's still going strong. After hours, it's up $56 today, okay? This is sitting at up 52% today. Guys, what a trade. What a monster move from $40 all the way to $56 overnight. And this looks like it very much wants 60. But guys, take a look at this. A lot of people are sleeping on these artificial intelligence plays. They're everywhere in the market. It's up to you to research, to do the DD, just like I am, okay? In this term, this was about the Nancy Pelosi buy. So a lot of people had surging volume coming in for Tempest AI. So what did we do? We looked for a breakout of this $42 level. We got in, we're riding this up all the way to $56. That is how you do it. When you have conviction, when you have the due diligence, when you have backing by people who may or may not allegedly know more than you, you're set to go. You're ready to make this money. That is how you bang. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol MSFT. Microsoft stock is up 1.61% overnight, and this is due to the plan that Donald Trump had signed earlier, okay? All about AI. Microsoft is one of these stocks. So watch for this one to go up to the 440s after being in consolidation phase for the past month. You can see that it is up, or it is down, 0.13% in the past month. Watch for this one to continue to the 440s because, guys, once these companies have backup, when they have spending, this is where it's their time to shine. Take a look at Oracle, take a look at Nvidia, take a look at ARM. All these companies have backing. You guys must go ahead and track these companies for yourselves too. Another AI focused company that President Trump was talking about is ticker symbol NVDA. Nvidia, guys, is sitting at $143.73. This is up 4% today, guys. Take a look at this. We've been talking about buying dips, dollar cost averaging on Nvidia. We loaded the boat at 131. Guys, let me know if you made some money down below on Nvidia. This was an amazing play. Guys, we're still in Nvidia, but looking strong, looking like it's ready to take back that 150 level and shoot back for all-time highs. If this goes down tomorrow to the 138 level, I'm going to be looking for dollar cost averaging and looking for another play for the 140 calls. But you can see right here, look at hit trade options, guys. This right here is a life-changing play. These 145 calls that are sitting at $51, 51% up, these are going to be up 200% tomorrow. These are life-changing plays. Guys, when you set with stocks that you love long-term and have done due diligence on, and especially when you get in the right sector, this is how you make the money. This is where the due diligence that you've done paid off when no one was buying. When everyone was selling, you were buying. You were loading these dips, and now your conviction has landed you to profits and massive profits. All right, guys, enough of the AI infrastructure plan for now. We are going to go into more hot stocks, guys. Take a look at this ticker symbol NFLX. That is Netflix stock. This is sitting up at $995.50. What a move for Netflix, all the way to the all-time highs, guys. Take a look at this. Netflix is up now 10% in the past month, but if you look, overnight is up 14%, a $123 move. And why did Netflix, a company you guys might know about, make that move? Well, they went ahead and reported great profitability levels, better than expected in their Q4 earnings. Guys, take a look at this. We got some news. Netflix tops, and this is part of one of their earning compatibilities, is having subscribers. Netflix tops 300 million subscribers as hits like Squid Game 2 and live sports drive signups. How many of you guys watch things on Netflix? You watch shows, you watch movies. What do you watch on Netflix? Let me know down below in the comments. If you do watch Netflix, do you own Netflix shares? If not, it's probably time to go ahead and start looking into investing in Netflix stock, because while you watch those movies, those shows that you already watch, you can make your money work for you on Netflix stock, guys. This is why I talk about investing in Amazon. Invest in things that you already use in your day-to-day life, like Amazon, right? When you're shopping, Amazon gets money. When you're watching those movies, Netflix gets money off the subscription. You might as well go ahead and make money on the applications that you already use in your day-to-day life. So guys, what a banger for Netflix and a lot of other investors. And guys, allegedly, a lot of investors are looking into Netflix to have a stock split. So what is a stock split? A stock split is when a stock splits into quarters or any given amount. So let's say Netflix is sitting at 1,000. When a stock split occurs, it's gonna go up and get into 5 pieces of $200 a share. Your one share will be worth $200, but you'll have 5 of them now. Sometimes stock splits are done because a price of a stock is so high that people prefer buying when it's cheap. And this is bullish for the stock because that means the price will be more affordable to other investors who are not already in Netflix or the stock they love. With the appointment of a new CEO, Kevin McAleen, Big Bear AI is soaring up nearly 15% in the total trading day. Guys, take a look at ticker symbol BBAI. This is another stock that we have been also covering on this channel. Back a few videos, we got the news immediately. We hammered the stock when it was at its lows. Guys, take a look at this. Ticker symbol BBAI took a little bit of a dip, but is now back on the rise. Guys, use these red days that you get to load up on the stocks you love. I say this time and time again. Think about red days as a discount because it's better to dollar cost average on a red day than a green day. Whenever you see a red day on these stocks that you're looking into, make sure to look and consider dollar cost averaging. Let me know down below, guys, if you know what dollar cost averaging is. Ticker symbol BBAI is going to be on a big watch to break the $5 level in the next and upcoming weeks. We're already up a good chunk on ticker symbol BBAI. I would love to ride this thing up to $5 a share. That would be amazing. Next up, we got ticker symbol RGTI. Rigetti Computing is a quantum computing stock that had recently fell with all the other baskets inside the quantum computing stock niche. Okay, this is up 34% in the past week. What did I tell you guys 2 weeks ago? Okay, let me know if you guys remember. We were talking about dead cat bounce plays, and ticker symbol RGTI was one of them. Okay, we were looking into an entry in the $7 level, but we entered at $7. It fell a bit more to $5. We dollar cost average, and now we're up 100% on our position on ticker symbol RGTI. Guys, sometimes when stocks sell down too much, like a 70 to 80% decrease in a few days or in a week, this is the time to load up for a dead cat bounce play. And if it backfires, right, dollar cost average. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Have some cash on the side to dollar cost average so your average can be better over time. But as you dollar cost average and see the dead cat bounce working, guys, that's how you make your money work for you. $6 all the way up to now $14 and counting, and could possibly have a reversal up to $17. So guys, let me know if you entered into RGTI down below in the comments and made some money with me. This is a textbook example of one of the easiest moves you can pull out in the stock market. When a stock falls down 80%, that's the time to load up. Check the news, check if the company's still bullish. Just because a CEO said something about quantum computing not being relevant, maybe that's not enough to push it all the way down to zero. When you have clear conviction and do your due diligence and watch the chart, that's how you shine. That's how you make your money work for you. Guys, take a look at this. I have another play for you. Ticker symbol AAPL. Everyone was beating down on this stock. I love Apple, guys. We've been playing Apple a lot on this channel, especially. Take a look at this. Apple is down 5% in the past weekend. On the month, this is down 12%. Okay, let me know if you are familiar with what's happening at Apple. Okay, Apple and TSM, they both had earnings after they got beaten down. Guys, I want you to take a look at ticker symbol AAPL. They report earnings on January 30th. I want you guys to take a look, okay, and consider hitting trade options. Look at near term, the 230 call options or the 225 call options. These are worth $5 and $2.80 right now. This is a buy the dip play. Once a stock sells off to a support level, this is the time to look in for entry. This is the time to dollar cost average into shares, into options. Once you have shares, get into options. Once you have options, sit back, look at the chart, read all the news, guys. There's a ton of news articles pushing Apple down right now, and they just want to push Apple down right before earnings so they can get in cheap. So if you haven't already, guys, take a look, consider taking a look at ticker symbol AAPL. This is one of the best stocks to make money on in the stock market if you know how to play it in the upside and towards the downside. I'm going to be looking for Apple to make a reversal into the 225 levels, but if it comes down to, let's say, 210, that's even more of a buying opportunity. That's even more of a buying opportunity to dollar cost average into. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol AMD. This is sitting at $123.37. Guys, we've been buying this one all the ways of lows of $160. We kept this one on your radar. Let me know down below in the comments if you made some money with me on ticker symbol AMD. Guys, this is another bullish semiconductor company. This is one of the best ads for 2025. You could see in the past 3 months, this is down 20.79%. But personally, I don't see this going down. I see it as a ton of people trying to push the stock down. But in the meantime, it's a loading zone for everyone, okay? I've been loading this one up at the 114s, the 116s, the 118. I've been slowly dollar cost averaging throughout the weeks, throughout the months. This has always been a great stock to own. Listen guys, I know people who own Nvidia stock at $4, and now that it's at $150, a lot of people wanted them to sell Nvidia when it's at $28. But that's the power of conviction. By having strong conviction when you're investing long-term, you can get into great results as long as you do great due diligence on the company and dollar cost average over time. Guys, I gotta play for you in one more moment, but guys, take a look at this ticker symbol GCTK. GlucoTrack is up 44% on the day. After hours, this is up 10%. Let me know if you made some money on ticker symbol GCTK. I shouldn't see anyone down on this stock right now, guys. Take a look at this on the week. This is up 73% in the past week. Look at this, guys. GCTK has been giving a lot of loading zones for dip entries. If you didn't get in your desired price, make sure to go ahead, set a limit order. Set a limit order at the price you want to buy at, guys. Take a look at this. It went down all the way from 6 cents all the way to 13 cents up right now. So I shouldn't see you guys down. If you are down on ticker symbol GCTK, did you look at your rules? Did you do your due diligence? What did you see on the chart? Okay, we bottomed out at 6 cents. It gave us a great loading zone at 6 cents. If you loaded in at 6 cents, that's a whole 100% gain. I need you guys to be taking profit, okay? Take profit, take profit, take profit. I saw a comment once again. We said this like 2 videos ago. If you're up on a stock, take profit. That's the #1 rule when it comes to investing and trading. You need to make sure you're securing your profit, because it's a one thing to go ahead, buy the stock and make money on it. But if you don't secure the profits, a green trade can easily go to a red trade. I've seen it ton of times throughout the years in the market. #1 rule, don't let a green trade go to a red trade. If you're asking when you should take profit, it's probably your time to do so. There's a famous rule that goes around saying, if it's good enough to screenshot, it's probably a great time to sell. So if you're asking others if you should sell, if you're up a lot, go ahead and sell. Take some profit, leave some for the table, leave some runners. That's what I usually do, okay? When it comes to these stocks that are very volatile, leave some runners, take some profit. Go ahead, look at the charts again. Where could you go ahead into support, add in on the dips, look for entries, guys. This is how you make money in this hot penny stock market, and it's been shown time and time again. Guys, ticker symbol GCTK up 50% in 1 day. Guys, like I promised, I said that I would give you guys my play, ticker symbol CDT. This is Conduit Pharmaceuticals. It sits right now at 7 cents, and I am playing this because they utilize AI. If the penny stock market reacts off this AI news from President Trump, things can start to get crazy. I got some news that Conduit Pharmaceuticals partnered with Sarborg Limited to leverage artificial intelligence and cybernetics for optimizing key medicine development processes. And they utilize AI to reduce human error, cut costs, and improve efficiency. Guys, I know that ticker symbol CDT is under 10 cents, under $1, but we've been looking for stocks that are closer to the 10-cent range. This is the sweet spot that I've been looking for in my own plays. So guys, I'm letting you know I'm watching this around 7 cents with a stop loss set, with a stop loss just under the low of day at 0.064. I'm letting you know, guys, about stop loss because setting a stop loss limits your risk, okay, of losing more. When you enter a trade, it's your job. It's your job to make sure you know where you're going at, okay, where you're entering, where you're putting your stop loss, and where you're selling at. These all matter when you enter a trade. I always make sure to teach risk management and technical analysis here on this channel. If we get a breakout of 0.072, we can be seeing 8 cents in the near future. Once again though, this is a speculative play on the AI news for President Trump. So take this how you will. I am just showing my play. This is not financial advice. This is all in speculation, guys. Ticker symbol CDT is down 11% or 15% in the past week. You can see on the month, this is up 18.64% in the past month, and this one actually had a few pops to 14 cents. So I am buying the dip for a speculative AI play into tomorrow. So let me know if you guys like this video. Guys, we have such a bullish president for the stock market. This president loves the stock market. You could see from all the executive orders that are signed today. So guys, let's go ahead and make money tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be Wednesday. I need you guys to be up early making this money, okay? Buy all the dips and plays you love and watch this video again and again to learn more. We do videos just like this every day. So if you wanna watch another one, click right here. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, get this video to 1,000 likes. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few to consider journey. Guys, we got tomorrow to make money. Let's make this money. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.